Revenue is a sale. What have you sold to generate revenue? And if we apply it to you, in that situation, if you're employed and you earn a salary, to you, that's revenue. You're generating salary revenue. If you have a bank account and you're earning interest, you're generating interest revenue. If your job pays you a commission or a bonus, that is going to be revenue to you. That's how you're generating revenue to support yourself. Now, let's apply that to a business. A business is going to be generating revenue by selling goods and services. So, salary revenue to you is going to be service revenue to a business. Like if you're an accounting firm, if you're a lawyer, an attorney, or you could have like a Target or any sort of store that's selling goods. That is going to be revenue they're generating. Also, we can apply the same concept to interest. Interest on a bank account, same concept is going to happen with a business. If they have excess cash and they put it in a money market or savings account, it's going to generate interest revenue. That is also revenue to a business. Commission that I referenced earlier, if you earn a commission from selling something at your job. Same concept, if you're an insurance broker and you're brokering insurance policies, that business is generating a commission. That is commission revenue to the business. If you have a side hustle, you're doing a marketing work for a small business, that is revenue. You're selling a service, generating revenue for yourself. Same concept with a business. So revenue is a sale of goods or services. Either you've gotten the cash for that sale right away, or you're anticipating getting that cash very soon. This is sales and this is revenue. That is how a business generates their money to eventually pay their expenses.